Kia ora. I'm Joe Simons, the Drinking Water Program Delivery Manager with the Hastings District Council. Today we're here on Ōmāhu Road to give you an update on one of Hastings' largest drinking water infrastructure projects. The Ōmāhu Road is a key transport route connecting Hastings, Flaxmere and the surrounding industrial area. While many people travel this road every day, few realise that beneath it sits one of the city's most important drinking water pipelines. This project is about renewing essential infrastructure so we can continue providing a safe, reliable, resilient drinking water supply to our community. This program has been carefully planned and delivered in stages, with stages 1 and 2 now complete and in service. Construction is progressing well with stages 3, while investigation and enabling works are already underway for stage 4. This staged approach allows us to maintain momentum while carefully managing construction, traffic and water supply throughout the construction.
Hi, I'm Benny Smuts, the Fulton Hogan Supervisor on the Ōmāhu Trunk Main Replacement Project. Our crews are currently busy installing a large diameter polyethylene trunk main along Ōmāhu Road. They are completing several connections and preparing for the pressure testing and commissioning. We're also busy on asphalt preparation for the reinstatement. This project has deep excavations which requires large trench shields as excavation is along an old riverbed. Along the way there are quality checks and assurances to deliver a quality project. We also pride ourselves in the fact that no major services have been damaged along the way on a project that has spanned over 15 months. Every section of pipe is pressure tested and disinfected before being brought into service to ensure Hastings continues to receive a safe and reliable water supply. Soon we'll be moving to stage 4 between Henderson and Chatham roundabouts. You will be seeing investigation works, service locating and enabling activities before the actual construction starts.
Replacing a trunk water main is a complex undertaking. We're installing large diameter pipe deep beneath the road, working around existing services and maintaining drinking water supply while keeping people moving safely.